World's first limitless foldable smartphone is coming. What's up guys, we're back with some more Samsung news. Galaxy Fold 3 is back in the news for all the good reasons. We're also going to be talking about a dream look at the Galaxy Note 21 FE thanks to the renders via Let's Go Digital. So back to the foldables, Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a huge deal for Samsung. According to Universe, Z Fold 3 is still very likely to have the under panel camera. For the first time, Samsung is looking to bring a huge design innovation not on their Galaxy S flagship phone but on their foldable phone. And because of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, Samsung has taken massive decisions, particularly the decision to end the need of having a flagship Note phone. Like the S21 Ultra, the Z Fold 3 also had the ability to be compatible with S Pen, not just from Samsung but also third-party stylus, and of course, how can we forget the upcoming S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro will add all those Galaxy Note flagship S Pen tricks with the built-in Bluetooth and everything, which all sounds really great. Now, as for the release of the Galaxy Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, the current rumors are saying that the month of July will be that time for the release of the Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. That is about 6 months late than the S21 series, and between this time, Samsung will likely to focus on their upcoming Galaxy A series, including the A72, A52, and possibly more A series phones down the line. As for the specs, the Fold 3 will take a lot of things from Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not sure if Samsung will put that optical zoom setup on the Fold 3, but most of the stuff will be similar to the S21 Ultra. Again, the reason why you should be excited is the under panel camera and of course the compatibility with the S Pen and the S Pen Pro. Now, as for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we're looking at a 6.7-inch display. Samsung is looking to bring some changes to the outer screen. The biggest feature with the Z Flip 3 will likely be that 120 Hz refresh rate. The camera setup will be similar to the Galaxy S21, although I would love to see the S21 Ultra's cameras on the Z Flip 3, but very likely that's not going to happen. Still, it's going to be a very exciting product. Also in the news, we have the new realistic concept renders of the Note 21 FE. If Samsung were to release a Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna take all those design cues from the Galaxy S21, and honestly, it looks pretty stunning. In my opinion, a Note 21 FE makes a lot more sense than the S21 FE because we already have the Galaxy S21 coming with plastic back, and we also still have the Galaxy S20 FE from last year, which is not only a great value, but it also has the same camera setup, almost the same camera setup as the S21. So there is that space for having that $700 range Note phone with 120Hz display. Again, we'll see what Samsung does later down the year. So that's it for today. I have to say, Galaxy Fold 3 with the under panel camera will make it an absolute banger of a product. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.